And it is starting to become evident na itong kupunan ng FEU starting to come together as a team. Bumalik ulit si Refugia as the starting setter. Kam sends that long.
Ito ngayon, dito naman makikita natin ang tibay ng FEU, di ba? Dahil sabi nga, just because they are the younger team.
Right.
Di ba? Makikita natin ng tapang. Sa kabila naman, lalabas ba yung sinasabi ni Coach George Pascua na nung Friday lang sila nabuo, di ba? Lalabas ba yun?
Tama yung punto mong yan. Is it starting to come out? Or yung fatigue, is it starting to set in?
Right.
So si Margate nakadali ng puntos that time. Refugia to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Habol. Ay, hindi na masasagip yan. Sobra namang superpowers na ni Viking pag naitawid pa niya yun.
Right, and FEU tying the ball game right now. This is the 5th and final set. This match.
Race to 15 lang ito. Palitan ng tao dito. Yan, tama na yung hawak na numero as we have Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Tama na hawak na numero dito ni Jamenel Campoy. Seeing his first action of the day. First set pa dapat papasok yan, kaya lang dala niya numero kanya.
So nilabas niya rin yung sarili niya, kaya hindi na siya nakapasok. Paapang pala siya, tapos labas na.
Hindi ko alam sa VIS kung mamarkahan nila nakapaglaro siya dun sa first set.
Malito sila.
Oh. Here is Refugia on the serve. Pagtalo na now. That's a drop shot coming from Abdul. Kam. And si Viking.
And great save there from FEU. Hindi binitawan yung puntos na yun. And trash to gold ang nangyari. So, lamang na ngayon ng isang FEU.
That's 3 straight now for the Tamaraws. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Refugia. Pagtalunan. Sebastian. Marmeto. Hindi na naabutan yan.
That's right. Marmeto trying to save it, but a no-go.
So 3-all. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolong gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Ito yung serve ngayon. Ito si Campoy. At galing sa likod, and that's going to hit the antenna. At si Abdul at si Gakutan nagkamustahan. Lumipat si Gakutan sa kabila.
Gakutan, sumubok lumipat bahay, pero hindi pwede, naka-yellow siya.
Right. 4-3, lamang po itong kupunan ng RTU. The Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery pang matagalan. Margate, dug up there. Here's pagtalunan now. Going to Abdul, nilabanan lahat ng mga puno doon ng FEU. Gakutan, sending it to Kam.
Oh, that's going to be a violation, definitely.
Huli.
Lifting naman.
Yan yung nag-rest yung bola sa kanyang palad ng medyo matagal lang konti.
Mga 2 hours.
Ayos
2 hours nag-rest.
5-3.
Bawal yun, bawal po yun.
Kahit na ano lang, 2 hours, kahit 2 minutes, bawal.
2 seconds ka, bawal eh. Kailangan, one motion.
Gakutan, getting that one off. Masahod. Si Masahod biglang nanahimik no fourth set, ha?
Yes, oo. Hindi natin siya masyado narinig. Pero tignan natin.
He might come out again dito sa ating fifth set.
Baka nag-ipon lang ng energy.
5-4, RTU. Margate. Pagtalunan and bawi naman kaagad. Same style ang ginawa rito ni Masahod.
Yan ang hinahanap mo. Off the block. Ang nakuha puntos.
6-4 RTU. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Abdul. Off the net, service ace. Tatlo po ang abante ngayon ng Blue Thunders at the Rizal Technological University. (7-4). Abdul once again. Another good serve. Refugia to Dolor. Dug up there. And here is Ajon. Ajon on the drop shot. Marmeto inangat para kay Kam. Kam down the middle.
This time, ang FEU na ang pumupunta sa gitna ng depensa ng RTU na hindi naman nasasagot ng RTU.
Medyo broken play na rin yun. Inadliban na lang ni Kam yun eh. 7-5. RTU still up by 2. Serving, Kam-Kam. And yun ang hindi tumawid. Change over time. Lamang po ng 3 itong kupunan ng RTU. 8-5. Done. Here is Barika. Nasagip yan itong si Dolor. Barika. Nasagip naman ni Viking. Ay. Kulang nga sa coverage itong kupunan ng FEU. Tandaan din natin that they took system to 5 sets bago po nagwagi ang Smashers to get their first win. Service ngayon galing kay Sebastian. Refugia. Out of nowhere comes Gakutan.
Gakutan was just way up in there. He really wanted that point, partner.
Palitan ng tao.
Ito na naman. Ito yung crucial to kanina.
Yes,
dun sa fourth set. Yes.
Villegas and Solis papasok ulit as we take a look at that last play coming from Jeric Gakutan.
Well, FEU now with 4 attack points. RTU having only 2, pero FEU 6 unforced errors against 0.
Yun ang masakit doon. And now Villegas served well in the 4th set. May kasama pang isang service ace dyan. Villegas, another good serve. Sebastian, hinabol. Free ball coming up from Abdul. Villegas, combination play!
Barika! Nung first and second sets, hindi natin siya masyadong nakita, no? Nag-warm up siguro muna.
And that means the reception has improved a lot para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. But they are still down by 2. Ronchet Villegas once again.
Nako.
First error ni Villegas on the serve.
Long one for Villegas.
So 10-7. Lamang po ng 3 itong kupunan ng Rizal Technological University. At yung kanilang leading scorer, itong si Sahud Masuhud o Masahud is serving into the net. Balik ang service error.
In for that, yun ang sa 5th set. Masarap pag ikaw yung ikaw yung naunang
lamang pa rin naman. Lamang pa rin naman ang RTU. Pero again, this might spark something for the Tamaraws. Greg Dolor serving. Magandang serve. Nandun pa rin si Viking. Zone 1 ang Itza na palakas galing dito kay Pagtalunan.
Pagtalunan tried to go for a dump ball but masyadong mahaba.
Isa na lang po ang abante ng Blue Thunders dito. Hindi nakabalik agad si Marmeto. Hindi pa naman kailangan kasi yung kitna pa rin nila yung nagsiserve.
Nakakatuwa si Dolor. Sinisilip niya kung ano yung sinisignal ni Pagtalunan kung anong play.
Pagtalunan now, running attack galing dito kay Ajon. We are tied at 10.
Si Margate pala yung sumisilip. Ito na naman. Ito yung kanina sinasabi ko, if you were Coach Kid, you like that itong mga bata kumakapit.
Yes.
You like to see that. That is very important.
Greg Dolor trying to give FEU their first lead of the 5th set. And si Viking, Initcha, here is Ajon, turned back there by Margate. Pagtalunan, going back to Ajon. Ajon this time!
Ajon giving it that power and he takes that last point.
11-10.
Ano mo, magiging importante na yung kada opensa ng parehong kupunan.
Right. And now Ajon to serve para sa RTU. Jump float. Villegas sends it to Barika. Naabangan doon ni Abdul. Barika will set it sa kabila. Margate. Sumabay pa. Hindi na masasagip yan. What an effort also for RTU. We are tied at 11.
That's correct. Pagtalunan, talaga naman, ganun ka-importante.
Right.
Ang bola na to, yung possession na yan. But we are now tied.
And it is 4 points away for somebody to take this match. Barika. Good serve. Combination play. Abdul misses.
Well, ang mahirap doon because it was Abdul who got that first ball, that very powerful first ball. So, ang layo nung pinanggalingan niya dahil sa kanya pinalik yung play eh.
At ito ngayon,
Offense.
Tita Mosi, first lead of the 5th set for FEU. Sa dulo pa nila nakuha. Barika again. And Barika sends it long, barely long.
Yes, correct. That was really, really close.
12 all.
But now you have RTU with a full front line.
Yes. Sebastian, Abdul and Masahud up front. Served there by etong si pagtalunan.
Viking once again.
Villegas. Margate, turned back there by Sebastian. Villegas, binigay sa likuran. What a play!
Hindi talaga pwede. Kam with only a single blocker in front of him. Hindi pwede.
13-12. Babalik ulit itong si Gakutan and Refugia. While Ryan Crisostomo will see action once again. Yan ang huling play dito para sa FEU. So, Kampoy upo.
Ang ganda nung pasok ng Villegas at Solis eh. Diba?
Right.
Nung humabol na, okay na, na-stabilize na. Ito na, balik na yung sa starters.
So, FEU needing only 2 more points para makuha yung una nilang pagkapanalo dito po sa Shakey's V-League Men's Division. And the captain, Manolo Refugia, will serve. O si Refugia with a high serve by King. Abdul, Sebastian. Refugia ngayon, combination play, Kam, turn back.
Oh, and
Oy, Crisostomo!
And a free gift given by FEU and RTU taking it.
So kapapasok pa lamang ni Crisostomo, resulta kagad. 13 all.
Ito na.
Kanina pa tayo, ito na.
Ito ka na. Gumagana na ang sumpa mo.
Who will get to match point first? Refugia, Gakutan.
FEU going down the line and getting the point. Match point pa. Napaka-importanting puntos na yan.
So ito si Jeric Gakutan, able to get it down.
So tignan natin kung maganda itong timeout ni Coach George Pascua. He was able to drop a play.
Right.
Execution. Reception
Yon.
is the key.
Daling dito kay Lucky Margate. Si Lucky sa kanyang serve. By King. Pagtalunan. Sebastian, turn back. Regalo by King, keeping it alive. At John galing likod. Refugia, habol. Kam, nilabanan. And that will be a point dito para sa kupunan ng RTU. 2 touches against FEU. Now it's a race to 16. Abdul, the captain, will serve para dito sa kupunan ng Rizal Technological University.
Eto na naman. Tayo na naman tayo. Ayaw matapos ng larong to.
Tandaan po natin yung record dito sa Shakey's V-League, 32-30.
Mahirap yun. Mahirap naman.
Dolor!
Oh, and Abdul!
Cannot contain that shot.
That's right. Still try to dig it. Ako, it looked long already.
Oo.
But hindi natin nakita. Baka check ball naman.
So it is now match point number 2 para sa Tamaraws. Franco Kam. Ang ganda ng pinakita ngayong araw na ito. Can he serve for the match? By King. Pagtalunan, Sebastian.
Chance for FEU to close this out.
And Barika gets it.
And they do.
The Far Eastern University gets their first win kontra sa RTU. Tanda